Commission Sunday in their countries. Post-Brexit dispute over fishing in the English Channel, with France maintaining its right to impose sanctions starting Tuesday that could include a blockade of British boats. Taliban Supreme Leader Akhundzada makes first public appearance in Afghanistan. Taliban's reclusive Supreme Leader Haibatullah Akhundzada made a rare public appearance in the southern city of Kandahar, Taliban source said on October 31st, belaying widespread remorse of his death. Now let us move to the national news. G20 summit fruitful, PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday described the just concluded G20 summit in Rome as fruitful and said world leaders had deliberation on issues of global importance such as fighting the pandemic, improving health infrastructure, boosting economic cooperation and furthering innovations. Navy takes delivery of guided missile destroys Visakhapatnam. The first ship of the 4 Project 15B state-of-the-art stealth guided missile destroys Visakhapatnam, being built at the Mazagon Docks Limited, was delivered to the Navy last Friday. Delayed by 3 years, the ships will be commissioned very soon. Now let us switch over to the state news. Kerala was seeking to launch 10 decks in emerging areas. The University of Kerala is set to add to its academic disciplines 10 new departments in strategic subjects that will provide facility for studying in emerging areas. Minister pays surprise visit to PW Rest House ahead of the launch of the online reservation system at the Public Works Department's PWD Rest Houses on Monday. Tourism Minister P.A. Mohammed Rais carried out a surprise inspection at the PWD Rest House in the capital, pulling up the staff for laxity in its upkeep. Now it's time for the sports buffs. Akash makes last 8 at AIBA Men's World Championship. Akash Kumar, 54 kg, staved off a stiff challenge from Puerto Rico's Caleb Terrado and entered the quarterfinals of the AIBA Men's World Championship here on Sunday. Argentina celebrates Maradona's birthday. Argentina kicked off a weekend of celebration to mark the birthday of late superstar Diego Maradona, former Argentina player from the World Cup winning team of 1978 and 1986 and members of Maradona's age group team nicknamed that Little Onions took part in a match here on Saturday. Now order to the school news.
Welcome to the school news. Yesterday, the members of Seva Bharati and the non-teaching staff members of our school, security, etc. both worked together to clean premises of the school related to the reopening. The Samiti members also supervised it. Those members cleaned the each nook and cranny of the whole school. Their dedication became extremely visible through this wonderful day. V.T. Bhattadirippad, Velli Thalathilattu Raman Bhattadirippad or V.T. Bhattadirippad or V.T. was a social critic, well-known dramatist and one of the leading lights of social reforms in Kerala, especially in the Nambudiri community of the state. He conducted the first mixed-race marriage in the Brahmin society. He is credited with starting the progressive theatre movement of Kerala at a time when stage performances were in the hands of social reforms and political activists. Indian independence movement was gaining popularity and Bhattatirippad participated in the Allahabad session of the Indian National Congress, due to which he was expelled from his community. This prompted him to fight against casteism, and he started campaigning for Brahmin widow remarriage and for raising funds for the campaign. He organized a march from Thrissur to Chandragiri River in 1931, which came to be known as Yachana Bhattatirippad utilized his writing skills as a tool for social reforms, and his writing contrasted the social changes that followed the Indian independence movement against the doormat state of the Nambudiri community. The staging of his play Adukkalayil Ninnu Arangathekku, which featured Premji as one of the actors in 1929 at Idakkunni, a village in Thrissur, was an important event in the social reform calendar of Kerala. The play highlighted the discriminatory rituals and practices prevalent in the Nambudiri community, especially the plight of marked deviation in Malayalam theatre from historical plays. In Kanneerum Kinavum, the first of his three memoirs narrates his life from 1896 until 1916 and is a documentation of the Nambudiri rituals and feudalism. Kerala Sahitya Akademi honored him with distinguished fellowship in 1976. The Sri Krishnapuram V.T. Bhattatirippad College in Sri Krishnapuram, Palakkad district is named after him.
After that, now watch the mind-blowing performance of our child prodigies.
Namaste, I am Nandu Krishnanardi. Animals: lion, tiger, fox, wolf, deer, zebra, gorilla, chimpanzee, jackal, leopard.
Namaste. Good morning, everybody. Today, I am here to say something about the English alphabet. The term English alphabet is correct, but the term English alphabet is wrong because there is only one set. Now, let me switch over to the first letter, A. When A comes at its initial position, it is pronounced as A. Example, apex agriculture. When A comes at its medial position, it is pronounced as A. Example, I have a sister, I have a car. B, C, D. Example, dog democracy. E. Example, enemy. F. G, hate. I, J. Example, Jason, Jaytak. K. Example, king, kite. L, M, N, O. Example, go, now. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Example, water, what. X, Y, Z. Example, zebra, zebrocracy. That's all. Thank you very much. Namaste.
That's all for